Can patients return to an active lifestyle and sports after the TOPS procedure?
Skiing, and skiing. That's the big one. And I'm not a skier, so I can't say how hard it is, but people have said they've gone down the black diamonds and moguls, and sometimes against advice. But they're really staying active. Mountain biking, fly fishing are some other activities here. Hiking is a huge one. The post-op recovery of TOPS is very unique. What I have to do is hold people back most of the time. I was like, hey guys, the things that get us in wintertime, it's ice and slipping on the ice. The summertime is going out hiking and climbing, because they feel typically very good and they feel so much better than what they did pre-op that they want to go out and start exercising.
I always say, look, obviously let pain be your guide and don't overdo it, but we definitely push our patients to regain their functional capacity faster than any other surgery with the TOPS arthroplasty, because we want the spine to move and we want the muscles that have been, post-op and irritated, we want them to get used to this new environment and recalibrate themselves as soon as possible. It's like the brain-spine connection, recalibration. Sometimes it's just gentle walking, a nice grass or beach walking with getting the additional proprioception. But is there a contraindication to anything like downhill skiing or surfing or anything? Absolutely not.
The reason why my patients have this surgery is because they want to get back to their active lifestyle. Colorado has lots of active patients, and people really want to get out and enjoy the outdoors. I have patients going back to just about everything that a native Coloradan would want to do. Skiing, certainly. I discourage them from skiing the bumps, but the blues and the cruisers are great for my patients. But hiking, they want to get back to hiking the mountains and enjoying the outdoors. Golfing is certainly great, but I've really had a surprising number of patients that really want to get back to competitive pickleball. It's the craze that's going across the nation, it seems, and I have patients that come to have surgery specifically so that they can get back to their pickleball game.